GM guys. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make money on Bullbit AI. So we'll be earning some money from this reward from the Bullbit Miniapp. So to get started, open your browser, search for bullbit.ai. bullbit.ai. Yeah, so this is the interface. Here you will see connect wallet. Right here you see connect wallet. Click on it, connect your wallet. It will bring out different. I'm already connected. It will bring out different wallets to connect. So right now I'm already connected. You can connect your token, your wallet here. We are going to go to the end. Right here you can earn from this. So follow Bullbit, I've already done that. Follow SCMO, done that. Join Telegram group. Okay, let's do this to claim our reward. I'm already in the community. Okay, this is the Bullbit community. I'm already in the community. So let's head back. So you can join Discord, sub and Bullbit Medium, create your first token, invite your friends to be believers. Yeah, your first token listed on Pancake Swap. Yeah, so these are the tasks you can do. You can also do this task, trading task, like bullish with AI Atom. Like do all these tasks, follow them on S, follow Bunny on S. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Okay, reward Bunny. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Follow Shane Aware on S. Shane Aware on X. Perfect. Okay, I'm already following. So follow ruler. Just play around with it to earn some points. So this is the Bullbit Miniapp. This is where you can earn. You can also check for InfoCat. Okay, follow InfoCat on S, InfoCat Telegram community. Retweet. Okay, let's do one. Okay, cool. So it's just as simple as that. Your points will increase here. So that's pretty much it. Ensure you are connected. That's pretty much okay. So right here you can see the list of tasks you've completed. Very simple. So that's how you can earn on Bullbit. Don't forget to join. Ensure you join as quickly as possible so that you can participate in this 20k reward pool. So bye guys, thanks for watching.